Hi guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can reset an S Pen settings on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. In settings, go down and tap on advanced features. Then we go down and tap on S Pen. Next, tap on actions at the top. Then tap on the option button. From the pop-up menu, tap on Reset S Pen. And that's it. Now just wait for your S Pen to reset back to the default settings. And that's it. Finally, once this has finished, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos. So connecting to your S Pen. So I'm just going to take it out and see what happens. So insert your pen to an S Pen into the phone. Now this actually only works for the Galaxy S22 Ultra because only the S22 Ultra comes with an S Pen. The other models such as the S20, S22 or the S22 Plus does not have an S Pen. Thank you for watching.